Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate ice cream. This video is a special request for a very special girl, my sweet little cousin Tiana Lindsay. So Tay, this one is for you. The first thing I'm going to do is run my cocoa powder through a sieve, and you're going to need half cup of cocoa powder. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk to my pot and the cocoa. Heat this gently to dissolve, and you're going to keep stirring it, and this step is called blooming the cocoa powder, and this is very important. You don't want to skip this. This is going to make the base of your ice cream smoother. Okay, next I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar to that, and I'm going to stir that until it's dissolved. Okay, now I'm going to remove this from the heat and put it in a big bowl that I can add my other ingredients and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so now I'm going to add the remainder of my milk. So I'm going to add 1 more cup of milk. To that I'm adding 2 cups of heavy cream, one teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt, and the salt just helps bring out the flavor. Mix everything really well. Okay, now you're going to cover that and put it in the refrigerator, and you want it to get very cold, so you can leave it in there for 4 hours or overnight. I prefer to do it overnight. Okay, so this is the next day. Now I'm ready to make my ice cream, and you want to make sure the base for your ice cream maker is frozen. So I usually just keep mine in the freezer so it's always ready for whenever I need it. But follow your ice cream maker manual and see what you need to do. I'm just going to pour this in there and let it do its thing. My one usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes to make ice cream. Okay, now that it's finished, I'm just going to take it out and put it in my container and then put it in my freezer. And chocolate ice cream is done. Okay, Tay, I'm going to eat the first one for you. Well, I hope you all try this recipe. It's so simple and so good, and it's better than store-bought. I mean, store-bought is good, but this is just cleaner, you know, less ingredients, less fillers. So I hope you give this one a try. As always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.